Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be taking up how to find cubes of two digits. Right students, suppose if I take say a number that is familiar to you, 12 cube. What is 12 cube students? You know 1728. Let me see how we can find 12 cube. Because it's something easy number that you all know, I am starting with 12 cube. Students, if I want 12 cube, it has 4 steps here, 4 numbers here. Listen carefully. Now, the leftmost number, this is the leftmost one, this is the rightmost one, right? The leftmost one should be cube of the leftmost digit. What is 1 cube? 1. The rightmost number should be cube of the rightmost digit. What is 2 cube? 8. This is 1 cube, this is 2 cube. Now, students, then the ratio of any two consecutive terms here should reflect the ratio of these two digits. What is the ratio of these two digits? 1:2. Now these two should be in the ratio 1:2 means what should be here? 2. Yes, 1:2. Now these two should be in the ratio 1:2 means 2 means it should be what? It should be in the ratio 1:2 means 4. Next. After writing the students, take this is the second place, this is the third place, right? Below them you have to write two more numbers. How do you write it? What should I write here? Students, if I have 2 here, double this and write it 4 here. If I have 4 here, double this and write it 8 here. That means whatever is the second number, I am doubling and writing below. Whatever is the third number here, I am writing doubling and writing below. I am doubling it not because the ratio is 1:2. Whatever may be the number, I will double this, right? Students, what happens? 8. And for every place you should write only one digit down, students. What I mean by that is, there is a single digit 8, it's okay. Instead of 2, if I have 7, what is 7 cube? 343 will be there. 343 means then what I should do? I should write 3 there and carry 34 to the next place, right? Next, students. What is 8 plus 4? 12. 1 carry to the next place. 5 plus 2? 7. No carry. 1. 12 cube is 1728. You know this, no? Yeah. What? So leftmost number should be cube of the leftmost place. Rightmost number should be cube of the rightmost place, rightmost digit. 1 cube is this. This is 2 cube. Then in any two terms I take here should have the ratio of these two digits. These two digits are in the ratio 1:2. So hence everything here will be in the ratio 1:2. Done. Then double the second and third numbers and write below them and add them. Right? Okay, let me explain. I'll come back to this again, students. Hold on. Let me explain you. Now that 12 cube is something you all know the answer, I have just done. Let me try now, say 23 cube. Students, the leftmost, there are 4 places we discussed. The leftmost number should be cube of the leftmost digit. What is this? 2 cube? 8. What is this means? 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 27. Now, students, then I want any two terms here. This ratio should be what? The ratio of these two digits 2:3. 8:, what will be the ratio? 2:3 means, if you can say directly 12, there is nothing like that. If you can't say, I tell you something please. What is 8/2, students? 8/2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. What is the logic behind it? I am saying how you got this 12? What is 8/2, the first digit? 4 into 3, 12. Yes or no? What is the logic behind writing this means, students? This 8 is how many times of 2? 4 times. So that means if this number is 4 times of 2, this number should be 4 times of 3. Then only you will maintain the same ratio. Yes or no? Right. Similarly, 12 is to what will be the ratio? 2:3 means this 12 is how many times of 2? 12/2. How many times? 6 times. So 6 into 3, 18. 18 is to 27. Are they in the ratio 2:3? Yes. Is that fine? Right, students. So come again. So this is 2 cube. This is 3 cube. Then I need 2:3. How do I get this? 12. 8/2, 4. That means this 8 is 4 times of 2. So this should be 4 times of 3, 12. Again, these two should be again in the ratio 2:3 means 12/2, 6. So this is 6 times of 2 means 6 times of 3 will be 18. 18 is to 27. Then what should we do? We discussed below the second and third numbers I write double of the numbers. 12 means 24, 18 means 36. Now add them. Every place only one digit. 7 here, 2 carried. 2 plus 36, 38 plus 15, 18, 56. 5 carried. 29 plus 12, 41. 1 here, 4 carried. 4 plus 8, 12. 12,167. Right? Now students, if you are not comfortable with this ratio approach, let me tell you something you all are familiar with. A plus B whole cube formula. What is A plus B whole cube? There is a, you can take some similarity here. What is A plus B whole cube formula, students? A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, you know. Similarly, students, when I ask you something, a number in the form of AB cube, the first place is A cube, 2 cube. This is 2 cube. The last number is B cube. This is 3 cube. Students, then I need 3A square B. The 3 forget about for some time. A square B means, you see this 12 students, is it not 2 square into 3? Yes or no? Right? This 18 you see, students, is it not like AB square? That is 2 into 3 square? Yes or no? But that is only one time you are writing. You need, the formula says 3 times. Yes, that's what I am doing. When I am doubling them means it is already one time. When you double it, you are adding it, it's becoming 3 times. So whatever algebra formula you have, you are using here indirectly, right? So can we do it again? Same thing in this approach. What I said, 23 cube means first 2 cube, 8. The last one will be 3 cube, 27. In between I need 2 more numbers. How do you write them? First one into square, 2 square into 3, 12. What is this? 3 square into 2. 2 into second number square, second digit square into 2. 3 square into 2. How much it is? 18. Double this second number, third number and write it. So 7, 2 carried, 38 plus 18, 56, 5 carried, 29 plus 12, 41, 1, 4 carried, 12. Is it okay? Everything you have to take as single place and then write only one digit till the last answer. Is that okay? So you write either this way or you can use the ratio approach, whichever you are comfortable. Done? Okay, let me take one more example, students. Say, let us say 34 cube. You can pause this video and you first calculate and then continue watching this video. Come on, please. 3 cube, first one is 3 cube. How much it is? 27. The last one is 4 cube. What is 4 cube? 64. 3 cube, 4 cube. Now I need 2 more places in between. How do you write this second place? 3 square 9 into 4, 36. How do you write this? 4 square 16 into 3, 48. This is 3 cube. Just for your reference, I am writing 4 cube. This is 3, this is 3 square into 4 and this is 3 into 4 square. Then what should I do this with these two numbers? Double them and write 36, 72, 48, 96. Students, in these cubes, addition is the key again because you have to add big numbers. In fact, because you have to add big numbers only, I am writing double this and adding in 2 lines. 64, if you take 4 here, what's carried? 6. 96 plus 6, 102 plus 48, 150. 0 here, 15 carried. 15 plus 72, 87 plus 36, 123. 3 here, 12 carried. 12 plus 27, 39. So this is how you can find cubes of 2 digits. If you are comfortable with this big additions, you go for it, students. Otherwise, you know how to find squares. We have discussed. Find the square, then multiply with again the same number using the multiplication technique, right? So this is about finding cubes of 2 digits, students, right? So thank you. We'll meet again, and in the meantime, if you have any queries, you can mail me at sr.gorentlove1@gmail.com, or you can also reach me at srgorentlove on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, right? Thank you.